My name is Sujit.
My name is Ligit.
My name is Muhammad Mustafa. We are 8th standard
We are coming from GHS Nada.
robotic arm. So today up with the project called robotic arm control using joystick. We can able to improve the movement of the arm every early using joystick.
Here were our living joystick model and arduino UNO and servo motor and jumper wires for this circuit.
We can use this on manufacturing. We can be this for industrial applications. We can use this in grants. For future, we can be for other projects.
Thank you.